Welcome to the grand finale of the Jabong Online Fashion Week with me, Pallavi Batra. The moment of truth for all the winners of this fashion extravaganza is here. The mentors are here, the winners are all getting ready, and they have an excited audience waiting to see the culmination of weeks of training, hard work and planning. Cheers to what promises to be a very fun and exciting evening.
It's very interesting. It looks really chic. I'm looking forward to Rajdeep's finale. He's a very good friend of mine. And I'm waiting for Yami to walk the ramp. I'm all excited. I love his clothes and I love her.
I'm enjoying the finale and I'm glad Jabong gave me such a big platform to work on and show my skills. So I'm very glad to Jabong and Revlon. They also helped us.
I think it's going to be a great show and it's a very unique approach to a fashion week, I think. The fact that it's digital and it's all been online and this is the grand finale which is physically happening now, I think it's a very new approach to it. So why not? Yeah, let's look forward to it. Thank you.
The shows that we've seen tonight have been the fruits of the labor of all the celebrity mentors. They've worked hard to guide and groom all the winners. Let's find out how their journey has been.
After days of selection and auditions by the judges, the rehearsals for the main day took over. The designers put the best of their creativity for the models to flaunt their impressive talent. Even the hairstylist and makeup artist were in high spirits for this grand event.
The celebrity mentors in each category have worked very hard to make sure that we get to witness a show like never before. It's going to be a very exciting evening as 15 winning designers will showcase creations specifically made for the 2014 Jabong Online Fashion Week Fall Festive Collection. Let's go check out the show.
It's a great opportunity for all the designers who have been chosen, and of course it's a great platform. Millions of people are watching it online and it's such a great exposure to each one of them, and I think each and every collection that I saw has been beautifully designed and I'm so proud of every design out there.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shreya Mistry. Is by Astha and Siddharth. Ladies and gentlemen, Arman and Eamon. Ladies and gentlemen, Timsy and Siddharth.
I have with me the heartthrob of India, the very young, cool and dashing guy, Aditya Roy Kapoor. Hi Aditya, how are you doing?
I'm fine, how are you?
Very well.
That was a nice introduction.
You like it? Okay.
Yeah, no complaints.
So you're walking the ramp for Nitin Balchauhan. Tell me about
Yes.
this collection that you're walking for.
Well, I just love what he's given me, man. It's black on black on black, and I love black. So, yeah, I'm really happy with the stuff that he's given me. I'm going to be putting something else on, which is a little more like making it a little more edgy.
Cool.
And I've always thought that he's a really cool designer. Yeah. He's always done something quirky and always had a twist to things and his own take on things, which is very individualistic. So, I'm very excited here.
And this is pretty much your personal style. I mean, you look very comfortable in what you're wearing.
Oh, I am comfortable. Well, I'm a little more casual in my personal style. I sometimes wear looser stuff. There is shorts and chappals and stuff like that. But yeah, this is in the zone. You know,
Cool.
This is in the zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bhoot Sawar by Nitin Balchauhan.
So what do you think of this concept as the first online shopping week, fashion
I think
week?
it's absolutely brilliant. I want to be a part of it here because it's giving a chance to so many new talents
Yeah.
and new people to showcase their stuff. They don't really have to go out the way. They don't have to pay for this, and that's a big thing, you know. And you're giving designers a chance, makeup people a chance, models a chance to just come out there and show their wares, you know, so to speak.
Exactly.
And as a client, you want new talent
And
to come
you
out.
get
You want
designer
new,
wear on Jabong.
Absolutely, and it's a crazy site. It's what 1,500 designers, and like you can spend a lot of time on this
So
site.
do you like to shop online?
I've actually developed a chronic problem with this. I never used to.
I can sympathize.
Yeah, I was never like this. But now it's just like you're sitting at home and you have like so much to choose from, and you end up spending more than you planned
know.
on. But yeah, it's all because of Jabong. Yeah.
That's quite a show right there, guys. Hi, we have with us Nitin Balchauhan. How are you feeling after your show?
Amazing, I guess. Like, you know, we practiced so hard for this, and I really wanted everything to come together, and all these guys doing all those crazy moves on the ramp, which is something which people haven't seen on the ramp.
Yeah.
Wanted to bring in a fresh flavor,
Yeah.
and I think my brand Bhoot Sawar is about that, addressing the youth, all about energy and rebellion for a cause.
So you got a lot of cheer from the whole audience, and I believe it was some to you guys as well, not just Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Yes.
So what is the association with Aditya like? You got him to walk for you. Why?
I think Aditya is quite an icon in himself, and I really wanted to push him a bit outside his comfort zone. He's very suave and he's a very reserved sense of dressing. And when I put on those studded jackets on him and all that, he really responded well to it. And like, you know, we did a couple of moves with him as well. You could see him interact with all the dancers.
guys, yeah.
I think he's quite lively and young, and he's up for something different.
Cool. So tell us about this collection. Why is it so different? Why is it so special for you?
I guess, you know, in the 21st century where pop, rock and goth is all gone, we need to reinvent that for our generation. And that's what Bhootsavar is about. It reinvents pop, rock and glam metal, goth metal into a more 21st century niche way where things are more clean and they're not over the top, but they're still like passionate, and a lot of individuality in clothes is our idea.
Correct. So what do you think of this platform of Jabong Online Fashion Week?
Well, I always wanted, you know, because I can't show such a collection at a regular fashion week because, you know, this aims at a mass market level. You want, you know, kids sitting in their rooms and, you know, buying stuff for the next week. They want to go for a festival or the next day even. Yes. So I think that's the whole idea, and I think what better way to do it.
We're having a super fun and fashionable evening right here at the grand finale of the Jabong Online Fashion Week, but there's still a lot more in store. We're going to slip into a short break now, but stay tuned for some great insights from the celebrity mentors.
The best bags, accessories, clothing and footwear, and all of them just a click away. Yes, this is the grand finale of Jabong Online Fashion Week 2014. The chosen models were dressed splendidly from head to toe by 15 fabulous designers as they exhibited their exquisite collections.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dressology by Amit Arora.
Basically, this is, like I said, presenting it to a live audience. So that is what makes it a little different, because otherwise we were shooting the show by and large for the cameras and to go online. So I think it's more exciting for the models to have the live audience here, and also people who wanted to see it live, the collections, will see it now.
Ladies and gentlemen, Siddharth K. Kakkar.
The collection was all about my traveling. So we had used a lot of mosaic and metal work in it. So it was all formal essentially.
When you think of a fashion week, you think of beautiful clothes seen on a ramp, but you never know if and when you'll be able to wear those. But the beautiful clothes you see on this ramp, we can tell you exactly when and how they can be yours. And that is the beauty of Jabong Online Fashion Week, India's first shoppable online fashion week, where you buy the clothes that you see online that very instant. I'm excited.
To start with, the inspiration was from boho chic kind of a thing, right? But it went to, obviously I was inspired by Kashmir, and I did things in a non-traditional way. So you'll see like a lot of outlinings and all of that over there.
Fashion industry
story is not a new one. Yet it's great to see brands innovate and constantly strive to bring fashion closer to the consumers. And with me is the man who's managed to do just that in a very grand way, the founder of Jabong.com, Mr. Praveen Sinha. Hi sir, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
So first of all, congratulations on your first edition of Jabong Online Fashion Week. How's the journey been for you?
I would say one word, very exciting. Actually, two words, and I think it's an achievement of our team in terms of bringing things together and all the stakeholders to deliver what we thought that will be our unique positioning. And the good part is that today we feel proud of what we were able to achieve. The objective and the intent was to get different stakeholders in fashion together, create a culture where the fashion aspiration is more democratized and it's not limited to few cities. And we were able to generate a lot of interest and involvement from different, I would say, verticals like photography, styling, modeling, etc. And the huge involvement and participation ensured that we have a good forum where not only the designs will be developed and printed and created, but also be sold. So I think it's a good achievement where the commercial angle plus the talent angle are getting combined.
Great. So we wish you all the luck for that, and congratulations on this great success.
Thank you.
Thank you for chatting with us.
Thanks.
Time now for the grand finale show of India's first shoppable online fashion week. A show like never before, where anything and everything you like is just a click away from your wardrobe.
The collection was very quirky, very fun, very silhouette oriented and playful and easy, ready to wear.
The finale show of the Jabong Online Fashion Week was presented by Rajdeep Ranawat, who showcased his amazing collection at the end of the gala night. Rajdeep's showstopper was the gorgeous Yami Gautam, who walked the ramp wearing one of his breezy dresses. The collection and Yami got a thunderous response from the live audience.
And now, Rajdeep Ranawat.
The best thing about the Jabong Online Fashion Week is that while it brings amazing fashion straight to the customers, it also gives a wonderful platform to those who want to make a mark in the world of fashion. Being the first of its kind fashion venture, Jabong Online Fashion Week will award the best makeup artist, the best hairstylist, and the best photographer among the contestants. May the best artist win.
So let's welcome with a huge round of applause the hairstylist and the makeup artist. And now the photographers. And now let's call on stage the founder and MD of Jabong.com, Mr. Praveen Sinha. And the best photographer award goes to Ashish Gurbani. And the award for best hairstylist goes to Arvind Sharma. For best makeup artist, Let's call on stage Mr. Rajiv Kumar, Director, Sales and Marketing, Revlon India. The award goes to Vipin Arora.
Of course I win it, and I want to say all of my team say thanks, and designers also, and my Jabong team who has given me a good platform where I have reached just because of Jabong.
And anyway, it was very innovative, that's what I'm gonna tell you, and it is very interactive too because it's open. It's the first thing which is open, right? Like whatever you're seeing on the ramp is available for anybody to pick up. So that is something which is really, really nice. That's what I think.
The Jabong Online Fashion Week has been a very fun and tiring week for all those involved, me included. There's been action, there's been drama, there's been a struggle, but a whole lot of fashion and fun as well. The winners have had their moment in the spotlight in a world-class fashion show that millions of viewers have watched online. And for the first time ever, customers have been able to get their hands on the coolest designer fashion with just a click. It's now time to celebrate the winners and all their hard work, and we're already looking forward to the second edition of the Jabong Online Fashion Week. Until next time, good night.